Greetings and salutations. How we doing today, YouTube friends and family? Barbecue Rockstar here today with we're gonna do something special today. Looks as though it's gonna start raining here just any minute. And I didn't want to get the smoker out and cook in the rain. So I thought what we do today, guys, is we'll do something really special. I don't do this meal too often because it's takes a long time to cook, but it's well worth it. Today, guys, I'm gonna bring you a family secret. I'm gonna bring you today my grandmother's beef pot roast made in the crock pot. Stick around. You see, guys, let me explain something to you. If you don't already know it, brown food tastes good. The crock pot does not do a very good job of caramelizing the proteins and the sugars that are inherently in chuck meat, chuck shoulder blade meat, okay? You've got to brown that, guys. You got to get those flavonoids out of there, right? Salt, pepper, and garlic is all you need. Back in a minute. Okay, guys, so we've got the chuck roast in there. It's been browned off really nicely, as you can tell. What I've got here, guys, is a little bit of giardiniera. Now, this came with my sandwich last night from a local deli. This is just some Chicago-style giardiniera that you'd get. It's pickled, hot peppers. I think there's celery in there, carrots, and what else? I think that's about it. Carrots, cauliflower, hot peppers, and celery, I believe is what's in there, okay? So we're gonna add that just because we had it. We don't normally do that, but we had it, so what the hell, right? And to this, we're going to add, if I can do this one-handed, this is very ill-advised, but I'm gonna try it. Okay, now we got that whole onion there. All right, we're gonna try to get that in there without spilling anything. Yay, I think we did it. All right, cool, look at there. We did it. So we get all these little, get these guys broken up. Kind of get them all spread out pretty evenly there. And obviously what we're trying to do here, guys, is we want some of the sweetness in there. Be right back. Okay, guys, the last component into our pot roast is going to be America's favorite sound. It's that sound right there. We're gonna put a half a can of our favorite light beer in here. Okay, because we want a little bit of braising liquid. Now that chuck roast has got a little bit of fat to it, okay? So we don't need a whole lot, about 3/4 of a can, because the rest is for the chef. Okay, guys, and I forgot to do this earlier. The last little piece is some of that, what's that here sauce. I did forget to add this earlier. I kind of got carried away trying to figure out how I was going to do this all one-handed, and I kind of forgot. So just a little, a little how you doing over there. Okay, we got everything plugged in, and we're going to put on the lid. But before we do that, a little tip and technique. Let me get my fingers out of the way. I like to put a piece of foil. Okay, I like to put a piece of foil over the top. Okay, just like such. It doesn't have to fit every square inch of it, but try to fill it up the best you can. And then I put my lid on, guys. This helps keep the condensation into the pot, which is where you want it. And we're gonna come down here to our low setting, and that sucker will be cooking. Now it is 9:35 a.m., so in 8 hours we will be eating this beautiful pot roast. We'll come back when it's all finished, guys. We'll let you know how it turned out. Yeah, if I can keep my camera or my shadow out of the view there. Oh, guys, that is just beautiful pot roast. And you can see the peppers in there, the beautiful organic potatoes. Oh, man, and that pot roast, guys. You see we got the real nice char on there before we started braising it in the crock pot. It cooked for 11 hours on low. So guys, that is just, as my guy Stale Cracker would say, that's money, dude. Okay, so they say the proof is in the pudding. So let's get a little bite of this here, guys, shall we? A little piece of pot roast. Mmm. 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 Carrot. Mmm. Onions. Mmm. Guys, thanks so much for hanging out with us on this extremely long crock pot cook. This is kind of the way my grandmother would have done it back in her day. And I gotta tell you, I think in my heart of hearts, she was the best cook I've ever met. I think everybody can identify with, you know, our grandmothers. They put a lot of love in their cooking. They put a lot of their heart, their soul, a lot of their experience. And that's what I tried to bring you today, guys. I want to give you my heart, my soul, my love through my food. And folks, if you were here to taste this pot roast, it has that old school beefy flavor. Like back in the day when beef used to taste like something. That's all I can say. Guys, till the next video, we love you. Appreciate you sticking with us. Hey guys, do me a favor. Smash that like button, hit the subscribe button, hit that bell icon so you can stay tuned for all of our notifications for all the videos upcoming. Until we see you again next time, Barbecue Rockstar out.